Hey there! So you keep hearing about SQL and databases and you're wondering what's all the fuss? Let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Now don't let the fancy name scare you. It's basically the language people use to talk to databases. Imagine you own a giant digital filing cabinet, and SQL is the way you ask it questions, add files, or make changes. Most websites, apps, and even some of your favorite games use databases to store information, like usernames, passwords, scores, or even shopping carts. SQL is the tool that helps you manage all that data, making sure you can find exactly what you need, when you need it. Let's go over the 4 most important commands: select, insert, update, and delete. Think of select as you asking your filing cabinet, "Hey, show me every file with the name Alex on it." That's how you retrieve data. Insert is like putting a brand new file into your cabinet, adding a new user, a new order, or a new score. Update does exactly what it sounds like. You found a typo in someone's address? Update lets you fix it. And if you ever need to toss out an old file, that's where delete comes in. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're running an online store. When a new customer signs up, you use insert to add their info. If they change their shipping address, you use update. To see all their orders, you use select. And if they close their account, you use delete to remove their data. SQL is behind the scenes making sure everything runs smoothly. Whether you're tracking inventory, processing orders, or managing millions of users on a social media app. Now why should you care? Well, if you're aiming for a tech job like data analyst, back-end developer, or even just a savvy intern, knowing SQL is a huge plus. It's one of those fundamental skills that opens doors and makes you a lot more flexible on any tech team. And the best part? SQL is super beginner friendly. Its commands are almost like plain English. If you can write select asterisk from users, you're already halfway to being a database pro. So whether you're prepping for an interview or just curious about how your favorite apps really work, understanding SQL is a game changer. I've got a full blog post linked in the description that dives even deeper, so check it out if you want to level up your skills. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more beginner tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.